Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim LinkedIn ad credit or a coupon code. So don't forget to visit the description section to access other related resources to help you succeed with LinkedIn advertising. And like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let me show you how you could claim your LinkedIn ad credit, just in case you got an email from LinkedIn that you have maybe $100, $300 or more. So let's jump right straight into this video. So I'm going to show you how to claim this ad credit. So let's work with a fresh tab. Then you go to linkedin.com. So you're going to select an ad account. So on LinkedIn, you still have something called personal ad account that is basically tied to your main profile. Then they have ad accounts that have been moved or that have been claimed by a business portfolio. So whichever one, it's same process. All you need to do is to select them first, okay? We're going to explore both of them. Okay, so you click on advertise. I'll show you all the ways because, take for example, myself would most likely load up a business manager. Okay, so take note. Now, this is a business manager ad account. It's still on hold. Okay, still on hold. Now, this is how to switch. This is how you know this is a business manager ad account. So if you look up here, you'll notice that this is a business manager. So once you click here, you will see all the business manager accounts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this current one is 5. Then this is my personal profile. Continue. So this is the ad account. Here I'm going to select the ad account. Click on this ad account. Then we open a new tab and I'm going to show you for the second one, where it's a personal ad account, not a business portfolio. So linkedin.com. So don't forget, the first one has already opened up. So once you get to all these parts, you scroll down and say create later. So what we are looking for is the billing and payment at this stage. Okay, it's on hold. So you simply scroll down to account settings, then you find billing. So this is where we basically claim the ad credits. Okay. So you could add payment method, but don't be in a rush. So you click on credit and promotions. So it says what you must have a valid payment method set up before you can redeem any coupons. So take note. So we have to add the payment method. So we're going to do it here. Okay, so you click on add payments, but let me show you this other one. So let's assume for this particular session, we're assuming that you're coming in through the personal ad account. So you click on advertise. Don't forget, if you need help with any of this, do well to visit the description section of this video where you're going to find more resources and also how you can contact our support team. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Okay, so similar to where we were. So you click on this logo at the top right or this icon here, then you switch. Don't forget, you could also switch to other business portfolios, but let's switch to my profile. So I'm clicking on profile. This is my profile. So you're going to see all the ad accounts I have. That is if I have anyone. So, but if you don't have, you have to create. Okay, so you can create. And to create is quite straightforward. Hope it's clear. So you can create, just click on I agree. This is how to create an ad account. Then you click on continue and that's it. You could also edit the name. You could also change the, okay, I didn't want to create, so let me just create. Okay, so I'll just call it next level. Next level. Then you select the LinkedIn page. It can be any page. It mustn't be that particular one. We have so many pages, so you can choose any of these pages and create your account. Okay. It could also still be this one. Then you click on continue. Don't forget agree to their terms. Then continue. Then your ad account is created automatically. Okay. So it's very easy. Okay, so after you're done creating, just like I said, you scroll down to the bottom, click on account settings, scroll down again and click on billing. So let's assume you already have a personal ad account before you came here. So you click on advertise. So visit the description section. We have lots of resources to share with you. So if you notice at this current level, it showed us the next level, the one we just opened. If you notice, this is my personal profile. Okay, so you click on it and continue. Same process. Then if you want to switch, maybe you have different business managers. So you click on it. So let's say it's Bright. I select Bright. Bright has over 2 ad accounts. So you're going to see all the ad accounts listed here, all the ad accounts under the business portfolio. So these ones are active. I'm going to show you the ones that are on hold. These ones are on hold. So these ones are on hold. So let's switch back to the personal. So you can click on this one, next level, and then make sure you find your way to account settings, then billing. Okay, so this is where we add payment method. So let's go back. So don't forget you can select any one you choose to work with. So I'm going to click on the advertise again. Then click here. Then we'll select the right. Okay, so I'm going to select one of these ad accounts belonging to Bright. Okay, so let me use this one. All right, so I'm going to select this one. So don't worry, let's use this one. So we scroll down. Okay, in case this comes up again, I'm happy it's even showing up. Just click on create later. Okay, then we scroll down, click on account settings, then you click on billing. Next, you scroll down to the bottom and click on add payment details. So you input your company details here. So you scroll to search. Then you add your address, your local government area, your city, your state. So you fill up all of this and then you can save and continue. Then I'm going to click save and continue. So you select any one you prefer, that is suggested or as entered. Then you click on save and continue. I'm going for the suggested, it's still fine. So get ready. It's time for the coupon will soon come, but we also need to add payment method, our card. Okay, so this is the coupon. Okay, hold on. Okay, so in here you're going to add your card details. All right, add your card details for here. Next is the coupon. So you're going to go to your email to get it. So here you scroll down and find it. So this is a coupon code and it expires very soon. Then you paste your coupon here. Then click on save. So LinkedIn might actually charge your card just to verify that you're the rightful person. So for VAT, you could skip this or you input your VAT. So I'm going to skip for now. So the payment method has been saved. So let's go to the credit and promotion. Let's see if our coupon worked. So we're going to reload this. So I'm going to input the coupon here again and click on apply. So you can see coupon code redeemed. Our coupon has been redeemed. All right, so this is it. So you can come back to the billing setup. So you can see add credit will be used first, then your payment method will be charged. It's always good to claim a coupon or an ad credit with a newly created ad account. Take note of that. It may not work for an already existing ad account, which means an ad account that is already active. It may not work. Right. So see you in the next video and cheers.